Guys, this is Vineet, and in today's video we will discuss about some of the backup terminology used in SQL Server. So let's go to notes quickly. So we will talk about the backup terminology. Before we proceed ahead, I would request you guys to please go ahead and quickly subscribe to my channel. There's a subscribe button below this video. Click on that button. Once you click that button, you will get a bell notification icon. Click on that and select all notifications to get notifications regarding all my future videos. Now let's come back to notes. In case you need a copy of these notes, do write to me at this email address, verma@gmail.com. After subscribing to my channel, send me the screenshot as a proof of your subscription, which include the subscribed icon and the name of my channel and the name of the video for which you want the PDF copy of notes for. So once I get your email, I will send you the PDF copy of the notes. Else you may jot down the notes as well. So let's discuss about the backup terminology. So backing up your database is essential for protecting your data. This is all we know. In order to protect your data, you back up your database. And some of the terminology used here is backup, which is basically the process to copy the data or log records from the database or its transaction logs to a backup device, which is disk or a tape device. Another terminology is backup, which is a copy of SQL Server data that can be used to restore and recover data after a failure. So another meaning of backup is it's a copy of SQL Server data that can be used to perform the restore operation or to recover data after a failure. And backups can be created at database level. So we can create backups at the database levels or for one or more files or file groups. So we can create a backup of a whole database, or we can create backup for one or more files or file groups. Table level backups cannot be created. We cannot take backups at table level, but yeah, we can make a copy of that table which can be treated as a backup for that table, but that's not actually a backup in terms of a backup file. So table level backups cannot be created, but the database level backups can be created, and the file level backups can be created. Also file group backups can be created. In the full recovery mode, in addition to database backups, we also require transaction log backups as well. So if we are using full recovery mode for a database, in addition to database backup, we also require the transaction log backups. Now let's talk about the recovery model of a database. Let me show you the recovery model. So let's take a look at the recovery model of a sample DB. So if you go to properties of a database, under that you can go to options on the left hand side. You will see the recovery level of a database here. So here for sample DB we are using a full recovery model. So if we have to take backup of this database, we need to take a database backup as well as the transaction log backup. Now let's go back to notes. We were talking about the recovery model. I've just shown you we are using a full recovery model for a sample DB database. A database property. So what is a recovery model? It's a database property that controls transaction log maintenance on a database. There are three types of recovery models. We have seen the full recovery model just a few minutes ago. In addition to that, there is a simple recovery model and a bulk log recovery model. This recovery model of a database determines the backup and restore requirements. So under simple recovery model, we do not take log backups, whereas under the full recovery model and the bulk log recovery model, we do take log backups. Now let's talk about another term, restore, and it is basically a multi-phase process that copies all the data and log pages from a specified SQL Server backup to a specified database, and then roll forwards all the transactions that are logged in the backup by applying the log changes to bring the data forward in time. So yeah, restoring is a particular multi-step process where we restore the full database backup and backups of various transaction log files. This is basically done to roll forward all the transactions that are logged in the backup by applying log changes to bring the data forward in time. So guys, we are done with this video. We have gone through some of the backup terminology, including the keywords backup, and recovery model, and the restore. These 4 keywords we have discussed today. So we are done for this video today. I hope you like this video. Please click on the like button. Please do like, comment and share this video with your friends. Also please subscribe to my channel by hitting on the subscribe button below this video, and once you hit that button you will get a bell icon. Click on that bell icon, select all notifications to get notifications regarding all my future videos. So I thank you for your time on this video, and you have a wonderful day ahead.